Now I'm going to download Power BI and install it on my machine. It takes a while to download because I have a wireless connection, and it is kind of a rather large file. What this will allow you to do after downloading is to create a connection between Power BI product, the desktop installation, and your QuickBooks Online data. But beyond that, it will also allow you to connect to publicly available data such as zip code tables, census information, publicly available population studies, any number of major sources of data. So when you put all of these things together, the common slang / business, new business term to describe all of this work we're doing is working with big data. Big data actually means data that's like so large it can't be held in one place, but it's trickled down to apply to dealing with large amounts of data and sifting through it to try to find information that you can use in your business to help your business succeed. So big data, a buzzword, kind of what we're doing, but in a small big data way, I guess you could say. So the connection between the QuickBooks Online information and publicly available information, you'll be able to see first in the dashboard with the visualization of customers on a map. So that map pulls that publicly available map data, takes the zip code information for our customers, plots the customers on a map in terms of their frequency of, not frequency, but dollar amount of purchases, and allows us to see in the magnitude of customer base by their location. So we use the Windows installer, click Next, accept the software license. I would go with the default installation, and sure, give me a desktop shortcut. So we'll pause for a little while the program installs, and I'll resume when we get to some significant point. I had to accept the warning that a new program is going to be installed. I was playing peekaboo behind my browser window. And you may want to make note of which operating system you have for Windows, whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. So I'm going to launch it. I think. And what we should have initially is just a raw program shell, kind of like opening Word and not having a document open. Okay. So now when I sign in, it's going to know that I've signed in before, and it's going to want to link up my data. So in the next step, we'll talk about how the linking occurs and how you could begin, if you wanted to build your own dashboard.